JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, 6-year-old girl killed in accidental shooting in central Kingston. Please remember to subscribe, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. A 6-year-old girl was shot and killed in the Rose Gardens community in the Kingston Central Police Division on Monday afternoon. Rose Gardens is more popularly known as Spoilaz. The deceased has been identified as Timora McCallum, a student of St. Aloysius Primary. She was accidentally shot while at her text lane home. It is alleged that a man was in the process of cleaning an illegal gun when the firearm went off, hitting the girl. She was rushed to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. As news spread of the girl's death, several of her friends converged on the house, creating an emotional scene where both children and adults wept openly. The police are now seeking to question the alleged shooter, who has since fled to a neighboring community. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.